Snapshot 7 for Minecraft 26.3 brought us pack versions with the new item components and more. My name is Sliced Slime and this is a showcase of the changes. Let's start with general pack format changes. The listed required pack version is now correct in logged error messages. Wherever you find block state definitions in any format, the field names have changed. Name is now instead ID and the properties is now lowercase. You can now also use the block ID directly as a shorthand for the default block state. In command news, the swing command no longer resets a player's attack timer when used on a player. There are also two new optional arguments for the animation and the duration. The animation is the same as the ones used in item components, one of whack or stab, with whack being used by default. The time is a positive time in ticks or with a time suffix, or by default 6 ticks. That leads us to the new item components. Their attack animation and interact animation, now separating the animations instead of what was previously a single swing animation component. Both have the same format as swing animation used to, but with the non-swing animation type removed. These components no longer affect the animation of an item being dropped. The map color component has been removed with the addition of the new map items, which has also affected the exploration map loot item function, which also no longer has a map color field. It also no longer changes the item type. The right item type is now sourced directly from a loot table entry or villager trade. If the target structure is not found, the map ID component is not set. In tag news, there are now block and item tags for concrete slabs and stairs, as well as two new tags controlling map functionality, clonable maps and extendable maps. And in world generation news, density functions are now evaluated using single precision floating point mathematics rather than double precision. Let's turn our attention to resource packs, where the filled map markings sprite sheet has been removed. For item models, the map color tint source has been removed as maps are no longer rendered as tinted. And in shader news, a number of defines related to order-independent translucency were missing the OIT prefix and have been renamed. And that's it for these pack versions. Thanks for watching.